Early morning. The village girl collects duckweeds. Duckweeds, a special kind of grass that floats on water. She cleans them gently in the river and lets them dry under the warm sun. Once dried, she grinds them by hand and filters the soft green powder. She also prepares powder from chrysanthemum seeds. Then she adds Dendrobium plant powder, pine elm bark, herbal amino acids, mulberry leaves, Ganoderma lucidum, and sea lotus leaves. To this herbal mix, she pours in pine nut oil, olive oil, and Camellia essential oil. Everything is kneaded into a smooth, fragrant dough. With care, she shapes it by hand. No molds, just tradition. And finally, a natural hair cleaning product is ready. No chemicals, only nature.